Thank you for the ride. Yeah, yeah. I really appreciate that.
Listen,
Yeah,
you.
yeah. You also.
Yeah, my first time I come here.
Nice place. Man. I like this one more than Dubai Mall. It's more quiet. Dubai Mall too much big. This one is more quiet. And if you go to the rooftop, voila, very beautiful.
Rooftop.
Yeah, up there.
Ah, maybe these people all go outside.
Very beautiful.
No, me, I am walking more.
Yeah. Obarjif.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to come. I've not been
I
there.
go out from this
Yeah.
mall, I am not going inside the mall.
Not coming again.
Yeah. You don't like
Only
now?
an
Where? Now.
basement going. Maybe ask.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
This problem here,
Yeah.
not like not client.
Yeah.
This problem only hot.
Yeah.
And I start work from 10 o'clock morning.
Wow.
I go in the branch, I work, I have client back to back, I finish, I
Yeah.
come here 4 o'clock.
Wow,
I
that's
start
nice.
with it.
Nice. Nice. But it was worth it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, being part of a team, that gets the Guinness Book of Record, it's worth it. Yeah. Taxi drop off. Yeah, adventures.
Yes, first time here, but slowly I...
Yeah, you manage your way.
Ah.
Yeah, but
I go this side, I bring you out. This was me only in Argent. You know
yeah,
Argent?
no, never been there.
This
Yeah, hi.
South Barsha.
South
You know
Basha.
this Dubai Hills?
Yeah, Dubai Hills. Yeah, yeah. Okay, me only just any metro I drop is okay for me.
No problem.
Yeah.
You work also in 1947?
No, me only YouTuber.
Ah, YouTuber.
Yeah. Me only YouTuber.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
How? This name,
Today, this one Arabic lift.
not Arabic.
No, Arabic lift. Start from Arabic lift. This
No,
one.
this man crazy. The man left. You know, I have this sign only left. Because
You know,
Arabic
English.
start like
No, wait. English start like
lift.
this. Yes. Arabic start
Now
backward.
this English.
No, this one English lift. Yeah, this one English lift. Very funny, man. It happened to me today.
Huh?
Today, this happened to me. Okay. Yeah, we're here already. So now you have to look for your parking, yeah?
Huh? Yeah. LG.
B. LG. LG.
LG.
Uh-huh. See LG there.
23.
LG there. Yeah? F23. D. Okay. All right. Thank you.
so much.
Yeah. No, hot shower home, yeah? Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah, same thing here.
From where, brother?
From Nigeria.
Nigeria, from Okosha.
Yeah, Ginger.
Kano.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is my drinker.
Really?
C2,
Inshallah.
C300, C250, 240.
Me, before,
Yeah.
C200, C250,
Yeah.
C300.
Yeah.
Also, I think like this. But listen.
Yeah. You from Algeria, right? Morocco? Algeria.
Morocco.
Yeah, Morocco. So, thank you for the ride. Yeah, yeah. I really appreciate that.
Listen,
Yeah,
you want this car,
yeah,
okay?
yeah,
You like this car.
yeah.
Think for this car, but not make yourself crazy.
No, no, no,
for
crazy.
this.
No, no, no.
Leave it.
Yeah,
Okay.
it will come, man.
If come in one cycle, one
Yeah.
motorbike, see, you happy.
Finish.
See, this good.
Finish.
Anything come in,
Yes.
it's Allah one time.
Yes.
Like
Yeah. Yeah.
also I dream before.
Okay.
After I start work, I
Yeah.
have one car small.
Yeah. Here in
Much
Dubai.
problem here.
Okay. How long have you been here?
Here
Yeah.
I come 2009.
2009. Wow. Wow. 2009.
2009.
Yeah, but you know, some people come in today want to become like this one day. Not like this. You suffer first before you get here. 2009 till today, it is 14 years. Abba, you've tried. Yeah.
14 years.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
very fast.
Yeah.
But I am not focused for anything.
Yeah.
Focused only for I work,
Yeah.
enjoy my life,
That's all.
and keep it these people happy.
Yeah.
You also is Allah.
Blessing you, right? Good.
Nothing for anything.
Yeah.
These people, oh, I have this one.
Done,
no,
yeah.
No, why me? No, one.
Yeah.
No, all this one. Nothing.
Yeah.
Anything you have.
What you have, good
you
for you.
happy inside. Look
Yes.
inside.
Most
Help.
important. Most important.
Help.
Yeah.
This important. Help.
Yes.
If you help any people,
Yeah.
it's Allah.
That is the
I mean,
secret.
Yes, this life.
Yes. And it's happening to me. Can I put lights?
Huh?
Can I put light? Because I'm
Yeah.
recording and it's dark. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Because I'm recording and it's a bit dark. Yeah. So you know, for me, it has been happening to me, and God has been faithful to in my life. I thank God because 2 years in Dubai not working.
2 years.
2 years, 2.5 years. Since COVID came, not working. Then I started YouTube.
Okay,
Right
but
now,
you
I'm
work something before.
before, yes, working travel agent in a travel company, yeah, big travel company. Then after COVID, nobody traveling,
Ah,
big problem.
Everything.
Now I quit. So after then, boss give me absconding. So I remove absconding, but labor ban 1 year. So labor ban no fit working. Now what to do? I start YouTube. Right now I'm happy doing what I'm
But
doing.
you're okay.
I'm happy. I might not have all the money, but I thank God where I am.
Here.
And I'm working hard doing this content so that eventually it will pay off. And it has started paying. It is not paying as much, but it has started paying. Making paying, makes more money. Good for me. Better for me. Peace of mind, better. Buying more equipment, very soon. Have assistants, start making. Before you know, media company come. Believe in yourself
Exactly.
and chase your dreams. That's all. For me, believe in yourself. For me, I believe in myself. Yeah?
Yeah.
I believe in myself. I believe I will make it. It's just a matter of time. I'm not in a race with anybody. No competition. Yeah. If somebody told you when you came to UAE that eventually one day you're going to own a car like this, you would say no. When you first came. Maybe before bed space sleeping. When coming new. Now, you have your place, you have your car, you live your life the way you want to live. Tomorrow you decide you want to have your own salon, you have your own salon. If you want.
Yes.
You now boss, have employee. But you have suffered before you reach here.
Yes, of course.
So that is life.
Rich, but
Yes.
work
Yeah.
because I need help.
Help. Yeah.
First,
Yes.
my family.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
for me, if I am working,
Yes.
eat, I buy what I need.
Yes.
Finish. I
Finish.
don't need Burj, I not
No need.
I need only
Not
help.
club. Yes.
Only help.
Yes.
My family, friend,
Good.
anybody, you know, this help.
Good.
This one, like,
Yeah. I really appreciate you and I appreciate your time. And I don't meet people, like I always say, I don't meet people by chance. Sometimes I meet people to encourage them, and sometimes I meet people who encourage me also. And you have just been an encouragement to me, and I really appreciate it. You know, if I had taken the monorail, I wouldn't have had this encouragement that you're giving me. You said it, you said before you had a car giving you too much problem. Today you have a better car. Nowhere you cannot go now.
yeah, but I change
Thank you.
this work. Only something small help you
Yes.
for your life.
Yes.
Your life big, you
Yeah.
know. Sometimes people have life,
Yeah.
you have work,
Yeah.
you have money,
But
but
not
you have
peace.
problem every day.
No peace.
This, yeah.
I really, really, really do appreciate it. You are an amazing person, and the encouragement is something I cannot take away from you because I've really been encouraged.
Thank you, brother.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, guys, if you watch
Good
this
luck
video,
for your life.
blessing. Yeah, I really appreciate it.
God bless you.
No, I learned from people who have gone before me. Like, this is a testimony. 14 years you came here. This is what you have. Right now, I'm heading home. And behold, the limo is here. Wow, taking me home in the limo. So they're gonna review it and see before and after. Participated. Read it. So back to the metro and going home. Hi, how are you? People love camera, man.
الرجاء الانتباه القطط المتجهة exploration 20 سيصل إلى الرصيف رقم
Right.
2. Your attention please.
I don't even know which metro.
Will arrive at platform 2.
Yeah, going home.
Train 2 will depart from platform 2.
Yeah, now we're here, man. This is where we. Now we are here. We're here at the lift on the way home from here. So in 2 minutes time, yeah, should be here.